Hi there, students. Ad rem. Okay, ad rem. This is either an adverb or an adjective. It means relevant to what is being done, relevant to what is being discussed. So the formality of this word would be ad rem to this video. Okay, so it would be relevant, it would be pertinent. Please only make ad rem comments at underneath the video, ones that are relevant to this, ones that are to the point, that are about this subject. So ad rem, pertinent, germane, apposite, relevant, applicable, appropriate, fitting, suitable, to the point, relevant. And that's the idea of ad rem. The students normally ask ad rem comments, but sometimes they go for a red herring to take the teacher off subject. Okay, so something that is ad rem is it's relevant to what's being talked about, it's relevant to what's being done, it's pertinent, it's to the purpose. So a dictionary is ad rem to a language course. Okay, it's something pertinent, something relevant. It belongs to it. It's to the point. It doesn't digress. An ad rem reply. Okay, a reply that talks about, gives the answer. An ad rem discussion, talking about the matter under discussion. Ad rem, an ad rem argument. Okay, an argument that is pertinent, that is relevant, without digressing. So please speak ad rem without digressing from the point of view, in a way that's relevant to what's being discussed. Relevant to the issue, relevant to what is being done at this moment, without digressing, in a straightforward manner, something that is to the point and relevant, that something that does not digress to what we are talking about. Okay, okay, and then maybe jus ad rem, a right to a thing in legal English. Okay, jus ad rem, a right that is that one person can exercise over an item. But we're now going much deeper. Okay, so ad rem, to the point, relevant. The argument is ad rem. The argument focuses on what is real, what is the point. Okay, so ad rem, what we are talking about, without digressing. Okay, please reply ad rem. Please stick to the point, stick to the purpose. Please be relevant. Don't digress. Go straight. Ad rem. Add to rem, from raise, the thing. So you're going to this thing, to the nub, to the center of something. Okay. Okay. So let's see. Formality. Ad rem. Formality. This is pretty formal. I'm going to give it a 7.5 in formality, using a semi-formal conversation. Maybe a semi-formal conversation, probably better a semi-formal or formal writing. And this comes directly from Latin. Ad, to, and rem, the accusative of res matter, so to the matter. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Ad rem.